What is the important point? That we are practicing Kriya Yoga meditation. The moment we attain the highest stage, when we realize ultimate truth, then we have only one thing, that God alone exists. This thing was experienced by many. One is Barbarik. Barbarik was a disciple of Krishna at the time of Mahabharata, when the Kauravas, Pandavas were having some kind of movement which we call divine war. In that, after completion of the divine war, Arjuna and Bhim both were having argument, who has done the best. Bhim was telling he did the best because all devils were transformed through the Bhim. All devils were removed, their devil activities were removed. It is because of the Bhim activity. Then Arjuna said, no, you are wrong. It is my bow and arrow. When I used to apply the effect of bow and arrow, then all evil forces, all devil forces, they become terrorized. When they become terrorized, when they enter into fear state, then you are able to work, otherwise not. This kind of dialogue were going on. Then Krishna said, okay, all right, let us go to Barbarik. He is in the Samadhi. And we have to ask from him. Because a person in Samadhi knows the truth, and you are having argument, dialogue, then you are not in the state of Samadhi. Then all went to Barbarik. Then Barbarik listened the question. Then he laughed. He told, no, you are all wrong. Only Krishna exists. When you say Kauravas, Pandavas, this is the incorrect, false vision. This is Arjuna and Bhim, false vision. It is the Krishna who has become Kauravas and Pandavas. It is Krishna who was playing this game, no one else. The moment you are in Samadhi, means oneness with the truth, then you will realize it is God who has become all. There is no existence of me. When I say it is, I am sitting here. When I am in Samadhi stage, then I will say I never exist. It is God who has become my own existence. When out of Samadhi, it is you are there. He is Ram, he is Shyam, he is that. Then we have this kind of language. But when we enter into Samadhi, then we realize there is no he and she. There is no he and they. There is no one else. It is God who is manifesting in the form of all human beings, all animals, all plants, galaxies, solar system and this earth. Now this truth is already pasted in our consciousness. Now you have to prove it through the education. Now no one can say that I do not know the way how to realize this truth. Kriya Yoga is time-tested technique. You have to practice it sincerely. When you keep on practicing it one day, you will realize when we become one with the Kriya Yoga, when we have 100% concentration on Kriya Yoga, then we will realize truth is experienced. What is the truth? God alone exists. Then education is completed. Then there is no compulsion of incarnation. Incarnation means joining the school again. And we cannot go to our parents, Divine Father and Mother, without completing this education. You have to complete this education and become one with the ultimate truth. Then you are allowed to go to your parents, which is called God. Therefore, let us decide from today onwards again that we will practice sincerely this Kriya Yoga meditation every day. And remember, if you have complained with anyone, your speed will be very slow. Number of complaints, number of retardation. Number of expectation, more and more retardation. in the journey. You should not have expectation. You have to do service to all, but never have expectation that you are going to get anything in return. Who are very nearest and dearest, they will do whatever needed to do. But you should have never any expectation. As you plant a tree, when the tree became big, oh, this is tree, which is not the fruit yielding tree. No problem. My duty was to plant the tree, to serve it. Tree became big, no expectation of fruits. I plant a different tree, that tree has become big and giving the fruits. One tree is giving fruits and another tree is not giving fruits, but we have to serve both equally. This is the way of life. When you practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely, then there is an automatic process. Automatic, we live that life. This is a brief message for today. Let us close our eyes and bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation, highest way to ultimate truth. And bow down to this holy spiritual family. Now we will sit. अब हम बैठेंगे, ओपन आइज, आंखें खोलें.